Hi everyone, this is Syam Kumar. I am an English learner. I have been learning English last 13 years. Yet I am learning English because I want to learn completely. That's why I do every day English speaking practice. So nowadays I am practicing English like I am reading, I am watching English content. Sometimes I listen English podcast. Also I watch and I do meditation. I mean that I think in English. So I think that if I keep continue my English speaking journey, so one day I will feel confidence while speaking. I talked to many people before time, but same thing was happening. Then again, I thought that at first I will practice all things alone. That's why I am not speaking with the people. Very soon I will think about I should make a video call. I should do video call. Then I will make video call and then I will connect with the people. So yet now only I am doing English speaking practice and reading and listening practice this thing. So nowadays I'm slowly I am getting improvement. I am developing my spoken English. So I want to tell you that if you are English learner, keep continue. You know, in life there people mind has different kinds of memory power, which catch anything in someone catch in very fast way. That's why they speak. They learn anything in very short period of time. I took long time because my mind catches slow. That's why it is taking long time. But I want to win. I want to learn this language. I have continued my journey because my all life is depend on this language. If I learn this language completely, so I can grow in my life. Because nowadays I'm not teaching to any student because I want to first build up all things in myself. Then after I want to teach. So very soon I want to gonna teach some student at my area village where I live. So I know English important. English is very much necessary in present era. Because this era without English you cannot imagine if you want to get a job any company. So maybe ask in English, maybe ask in English, maybe your interview maybe in English. That's why. And if I talk about the any place you want to visit, so English is much necessary because English is a global language. There are many states they are not spoken Hindi. If you are Hindi medium student, there's not spoken. So you have to manage your time. How can you manage? How can you there survive? How can you manage with the people? So only this language through you can manage anywhere. So I must say that English is much necessary in this time. If you are like me, you are taking long time, so don't worry about it. Give your time as I given. So I have given lots of time, 13 years. I have spent lots of money regarding this language. So I joined many institutes, but they did not develop. So it is a lackness in my side. So in this time, I'm able to speak in general way. So my motto is I want to become a good speaker of English. So I am giving this time. So I hope that one day will come and I can achieve. So everything I will share with you through my YouTube channel. So please keep watching. Definitely you will get to know about myself upcoming video. So keep watching my video. Okay, bye.